Ghost, you want a pup cup? Sit. Today's pup cup has a cookie in it. Oh. Okay.
Oh God. Oh my gosh. Ah. So I said the word going. And now look at him. Going for
What are you going? You're gonna go for a are we gonna go for a walk? Oh, are we gonna go play?
I can't take you anywhere! Hey, stop!
What? Hi. Oh my God.
Want to go see the doctor? I know you're scared. I won't let him hurt you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Let's go. Okay?
Come here, bud.
Mama. Mama.
Oh my God, tell me what to do. Wee! 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 Oh my God, wee! Wee!
Hello, Nikki? Nikki? Nikki, my little angel, my little love, I love you.
Each in 3, 2, 1.
Никки, давай, Никки, нет, себя, нет, я тебя люблю.
Really? I love you. I love you. I love you. Are you a girl? Say abba, abba, abba. Abba, abba, abba. Say abba, abba. There you go.
Nala. I love you.
Ow, ow. Good girl.
Everyone wants to know who's alive. So Pepper's not alive, but I wish he was because he was so lovely in life. Zoe's alive. Look, she gives high fives. She's alive. Dee Dee's alive, right up in my face. Yeah. And Jasmine's alive. Right, lovely? I know. Oh, we want so much attention. Okay, I love you.
What did you say?
You holding your poodle? While he cleans you? Just eat him?
Small, white, curly-haired dogs are crusty as fuck.
Walter. What is wrong? What is wrong? You're not even getting in the bath. What is wrong? Yeah, think about it and think about how good your life is. What's wrong? Looking for a reason. Good.
Safi, do you love me? Okay, I love you too.
Hey, I know this might not be the best time because you're sleeping, but rent is due soon, and I saw that you haven't gotten a job yet.
Can I stay with you?
What?
Can I stay with you, please?
Of course!
Really?
No.
You're snorting. Hi. Boo what? It's squishy boo what? Oh my goodness.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Lou, in your crate.
How I feed my well-trained dog every morning.
Okay.
New challenge. Use the time warp scan filter and see if your dog or cat can sit as still as Bentley can. I don't think you're going to beat him.